for June 8th or 6.8. What do we shoot? We shoot caliber 6.8.
Well, nobody actually calls it caliber 6.8.
Why does 68 caliber look so different than a standard firearm round? Because 68 caliber is generally fired from an air gun. So instead of being shot, it is launched. Today, the launcher I'm using is a rifle. Well, I guess it's a rifle-like launcher. The Tippmann rifle launcher. It shoots 68 caliber. It's made for paintball, but also it can shoot solid projectiles or these pepper balls. This air tank is filled to about 3,000 pounds per square inch. Let's go ahead and install that and see how it works. I have a few rounds of the pepper balls loaded into this magazine, a few rounds of the kinetic balls in here. Got this thing put together. We will try the pepper projectiles. Well, that sounded pretty powerful. Okay, we're shooting a little high.
Well, that sounded pretty powerful. Okay, we're shooting a little high.
Let's try a few of these kinetic rounds. Alright, that seemed to work.
Alright, that seemed to work.
For 6.8, we shoot caliber 6.8.